How much energy do wind turbines actually produce? Imagine a giant spinning blade catching the wind and turning it into electricity that powers your home. That's what wind turbines do, but how much energy do they really generate? Let's find out. Most modern onshore wind turbines are built to produce between 2 and 3 megawatts of power. To put that into perspective, they can generate around 6 million kilowatt hours of electricity each year. That's enough to supply about 1,500 average homes with clean energy all year long. Offshore wind turbines tend to be larger and more powerful. They usually have capacities between 4 and 15 megawatts, with many producing around 8 to 10 megawatts. These turbines can power 3,000 to 4,000 homes because they benefit from stronger, more consistent winds at sea. The amount of energy a wind turbine produces depends a lot on the wind speed at its location. Wind speeds can change daily and seasonally, which affects how much electricity is generated. Wind turbines operate best when wind speeds are between 4 and 25 meters per second. If the wind gets too strong, turbines automatically shut down for safety reasons. The efficiency of a turbine also depends on how often it is working. Maintenance, repairs, and downtime reduce the total hours it produces electricity. The design of the blades and the technology inside the turbine help optimize energy capture and protect the equipment. Environmental factors like air density, turbulence, and the specific site also influence how much power a turbine can produce. For example, a 3-megawatt turbine running with a 30% capacity factor over a year would generate about 7,880 megawatt hours of electricity. That's less than the maximum it could produce if it ran at full power all year, but it's typical for real-world conditions. Utility companies need to understand these factors to plan how wind energy fits into the overall power grid. Because wind is variable, they often combine wind farms with other energy sources or storage solutions. This helps keep the electricity supply steady and reliable. Wind power is a clean source of energy that produces no emissions, helping reduce pollution and greenhouse gases. Overall, wind turbines produce a lot of electricity, but the actual amount depends on location, technology, and weather conditions. By understanding these factors, utilities can better plan for a future where wind energy plays a bigger role in powering our world.